Hello everyone, in this video we have this interesting problem, 5 to the power 100 divided by 5 to the power 100 plus 5 to the power 98, and we have to find the value of this. Before we begin, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Because we have 5 to the power 98 over here, we can write this one in terms of this, right? So 5 to the power 100 could be written as 5 to the power 98 plus 2, then divided by, we have the exact same thing here. So we're going to have 5 to the power 98 plus 2, then plus what we have here, which is 5 to the power 98. Now let's apply the power rule that a to the power m plus n is the same as a to the power m times a to the power n. Right? So we're going to have, from here, we're going to have 5 to the power 98 times 5 to the power 2 divided by, we have the exact same thing here, so I'm going to copy this one down. 5 to the power 98 times 5 to the power 2, then plus 5 to the power 98. So from here, we're going to have 5 to the power 98 times 5 to the power 2 divided by, now we see that this and this is common over here, so we can factor it. 5 to the power 98 times, here we are left with 5 to the power 2, then plus this divided by this one, we are left with 1. Since this is multiplying this and this one is also multiplying the whole of this, it means that we can cancel this one, right? So we are left with 5 to the power 2, which is 25, divided by 5 to the power 2 again, which is 25 plus 1. And we see that this is equal to 25 divided by 26 as our final answer. Go to the description of this video. I have some important books that will change your life. If you click on the link, it's going to take you to Amazon and you're going to purchase them, right? There are a lot of books in the description down below and a lot of items over there. So go there and check them out. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.